Good morning, dear children. Today we will start with exercise 2.2. First question, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Question number 2 we will discuss. It is given 8 whole 1 upon 2 minus 3 whole 5 upon 8. So first we will change into improper. It will come 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17 upon 2 it will come. And then here it will come 8 3s are 24 and 24 plus 5, 29 upon 8 will come. Now here you can see the denominator is different, so we will take out the LCM 8 and 2. Now when you will take out LCM, 2 1s are and here 2 4s are, again here 1 and 2, here again 2 and 1 1. LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. Now here both the fraction you have to change into same denominator. So 17 upon 2, so into what will be multiplied, so the LCM will come, so 17 into 4, so upside also 17 into 4. So here what you will write, 17 4s are 68 upon 8. Here also you will change 29 upon 8. It is there, the denominator is already 28, so simply what you will do, you will subtract it, 68 upon 8 minus 29 upon 8. So next answer will come when we will subtract 68 minus 29, we will do 68 minus 29, it will come 9, and here 5 minus 2, that is 39. So answer will be 39 upon 8, and when you will change into mixed fraction, 8 4s are 32, so 4 whole 7 upon 8, 4 whole 7 upon 8 will be the answer. Now next question. Now next question is 5 upon 12 plus 1 upon 18 minus 2 upon 9. So first what we will do, we will take out the LCM because the denominator is not same. So 12, 18 and 9. 2 6 are 2, 9 and 9. Here again 2, 3, 9, 9. Then it will go with 3 1s are 3 and 3. Then again 3 1s are 1 1 1. Now here what you can see, the LCM will come 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. LCM will be 36. Now first fraction when you will take 5 upon 12 means 12 3s are, so here also 3s are, it will come 15 upon 36. Second fraction when you will take 1 upon 18, so in 18 when you will multiply by 2, it will come 36, so 2 upon 36. Third fraction when you will take 2 upon 9, what you have to multiply 9 into 4, so upside also in the numerator with 4, 4 2s are 8 upon 36. Now you will write it 15 upon 36 plus 2 upon 36 minus 8 upon 36. According to D mass, first we will add first, so it will come 17 upon 36 minus 8 upon 36. So now what you will do, you will subtract it, it will come 9 upon 36. Now this you can reduce also, 9 1s are and 9 4s are. So answer will be 1 upon 4. Now the next question is simplify the following. Question number 2 we will do 6 whole 1 upon 8 minus 2 whole 1 upon 12 minus 5 whole 1 upon 10 plus 3 whole 7 upon 25. First we will change into improper fraction. So improper fraction, when we will change, it will come 49 upon 8. Next it will come minus 25 upon 12. Next it will come 51 upon 10. Then plus 82 upon 25. Now here what we can see is the denominators are different. So what we will do, first we will take out the LCM. We will take out the LCM. 8, 10, 12, 8, 10, 12, 25. So when we will take out the LCM, 2 4s are, here 5s are, 6s are and 25. Again with 2 2s are, 5, 3, 25. Now it will go with 5, you can say 5, here 2, 1, 3 and 5. Now we will take out the LCM. 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 5. So LCM will come, LCM will be equal to 600. Now next what we can do is, we can draw a line here. Now you can write here 600. Now one by one you have to check 8 how many times 600 will come. 8 how many times 600 will come. It will come 8 75s are 600. So 49 into 75. Here we can write 49 into 75. We can write. Here we can see 12 how many times 600 means 50 times. So 25 into 50. Here also we will write 25 into 50. Here how many times 10? 6 times 60 times. So what we can write, not 60 times. So 51 into 60. 151 into 60. We will write here 51 into 60. Now here 25 how many times 600? It will be 24 times. So 82 into 24. It will be 82 into 24. Now solve it, multiply it. When we will solve 49 into 75, first we will do, it will come 49 into 7. Now next, when we have multiplied 49 into 75, it has come 3675. 25 into 50, 1250. 51 into 60, 3060. 82 into 24, 1968 upon 600. Now the numbers which are having positive sign, we will add it first. 3675 and 1968. So 1968 plus you can do 3675. So answer will come 5643. Here also minus 1250 minus 3060. So minus minus you can say it will be plus. We know that minus minus is plus and the sign will be minus. 1250 plus 3060. So answer will come 4310 minus 4310 upon 600. Now we will subtract 5643 minus 4310. 5643. So answer will come 133 upon 600. 1333 upon 600. Now what you can do is you can change into mixed fraction. So the answer will come 2 whole 133 upon 600. This will be your answer. Now next question is, Jayashree studies for 5 whole 2 upon 3 hours daily. She devotes 2 whole 4 upon 5 hours of her studies of her time for science and maths. How much time does she devote for other subject? Now, what you can write is, first you can write Jayashree studies daily for 5 whole 2 upon 3 hours. So, question number 3. Jayashree spent her time on studies will be equal to 5 whole 2 upon 3 hours. That will be equal to 17 upon 3 hours. 17 upon 3 hours. Now she devotes her time for science and mathematics. Now time given for maths and time given for maths and science is 2 whole 4 upon 5 hours. 2 whole 4 upon 5 hours. Therefore, what you have to find, how much time does she devote for other subject? You have to find how much time she give it for other subject. Total time she spent on studies is 17 upon 3. Out of that, 2 whole 4 upon 5 means what you can write here, 14 upon 5 hours she give for maths and science. So, time given for other subject, time given for other subjects, simply what you will do, this is the total time and from this she give time to maths and science. So what we will do, we will subtract it, 17 upon 3 minus 14 upon 5. Again we will take out LCM. LCM will come 15. Here 3 5s are means 17 into 5. So it will come 85 here and here 5 3s are. So 14 into 3, that will be 42. Now 85 minus 42, it will come 43 upon 15. She give for other subjects. You can divide it also. Fifteen twos are 30. So 2 whole 13 upon 15 hours she give for other subject. So answer will be 2 whole 13 upon 15 hours. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says that Ramesh solved 2 upon 7 part of an exercise while Reshma solved 4 upon 5 of it. Who solved lesser part and by how much? So you can write that Ramesh solved Ramesh solved 2 upon 7 part of an exercise and Reshma, you can say 4 upon 5 part of it. Now it is asked that who solved lesser part. So first what we will do, we have to find out who solved the lesser part. So here you can see the denominator is not same. So first you will do the denominator same. Then LCM of 7 and 5. It will come 35. So first fraction when you will change 2 upon 7 means 7 5s are and here also 5s are. So answer will come 10 upon 35. Now next fraction 4 upon 5, that is 5 into 7 and here also 7. So 7 4s are 28 upon 35. Now you will compare both the fraction. When you will compare both the fraction, which one is the lesser? You can say that Ramesh solved lesser part. Ramesh solved lesser part. And by how much? By, so simply you will divide, simply you will subtract it. 28 upon 35 minus 10 upon 35, that will come 18 upon 35 parts, by 18 upon 35 parts. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Sonali had rupees 35 whole 3 upon 5. She got rupees 16 whole 1 upon 15 from her mother and spent rupees 28 whole 2 upon 3 on food. How much money is left with her? Now here statement you write by your own, only equation I will tell you and then you can solve. Now Sonali was having rupees 35 whole 3 upon 5. She got rupees 16 whole 1 upon 15 from her mother. So total how much money she was having? So you will add both the amount. So when you will add both the amount, question number 5, how you can write? 35 whole 3 upon 5 plus 16 whole 1 upon 15. And next it is said and spent rupees 28 whole 2 upon 3 on food. So minus 28 whole 2 upon 3 on food. Now for again, now then you will solve same. First you will change into improper fraction and then you will solve it. So 35 whole 3 upon 5, it will come 178 upon 5. Here when you will change 16 whole 1 upon 15, it will come 241 upon 15. And here when you will change, it will come 28 whole 2 upon 3, it will come 86 upon 3. 86 upon 3. Now first you will add these two. When you will add these two, take out LCM and then add it. When you will add 775 upon 15 minus 86 upon 3. Minus 86 upon 3. Again you will take out LCM. LCM will come 15. 15 LCM will come. So here same. So 75 will come. And here 3 5s are. So 86 into 5. 86 into 5 it will come 430. So 775 minus 430 it will come 345 upon 15 and answer will be 23. So what you can say, she had left rupees 23 with her. So answer will be rupees 23.